Welcome to SVJ EduTime. In today's class, we are going to discuss some previous year questions based on Piaget's theory of cognitive development. According to Piaget, which of these factors plays an important role in cognitive development? Options: activity, conditioning, language, reinforcement. Conditioning and reinforcement are not related to Piaget and Lev-Vygotsky theory. These two comes under behaviorism. And Lev-Vygotsky, in his theory, language plays an important role on cognitive development. According to Piaget, there are 4 factors influence on cognitive development. They are maturation, experience, social interaction, and equilibration. So experience or activity plays an important role in cognitive development. So the correct option is A, activity. Which of the following is a correctly matched pair? Options: sensory motor period, application of logic to concrete problems. Option B, pre-operational stage, reversibility and decentration. Option C, concrete operational stage, object permanence and animistic thinking. Option D, formal operational stage, abstract thinking. Okay, now let's see options one by one. Sensory motor period is 0 to 2 years. Here we cannot see this character, application of logic to concrete problems in the stage of sensory motor. So this option A is wrong. And come to option B, pre-operational stage is 2 to 7. Here we can see irreversibility and centration. Reversibility and decentration comes under concrete operational stage. Okay, option C, concrete operational stage, object permanence and animistic thinking. Object permanence comes under sensory motor, and animistic thinking comes under pre-operational stage. So option C is also wrong. Option D, formal operational stage, abstract thinking. So this is the right answer. The ability to form and use symbols is a major accomplishment of dash. Options: sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, formal operational stage. The correct answer is option number 2, pre-operational stage. This stage starts from 2 and continuing up to 7 years. Symbolic play is the character of this stage. For example, child will use remote as a phone when speaking with her friend, and A for apple, B for ball is also example of symbolic play. According to John Piaget's theory of cognitive development, at which stage do most children understand conservation, seriation, and categorization? Options: sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, formal operational. Here conservation, seriation, categorization. C is CS. C for conservation, C for classification or categorization, and S for seriation. These 3 characteristics of concrete operational stage. They are able to classify or categorize the any objects or anything by their size, color and type. And seriation, they can organize any objects, big to small, small to big. So the correct option is concrete operational stage. This stage is start from 7 and ends with 11. According to John Piaget, when child is shown a toy and then it is hidden, instead of forgetting about it, the child tries to find the toy. At dash stage, this characteristic is found in the child and it is called dash. Options: pre-operational egocentrism, pre-operational object permanence, sensory motor object permanence, concrete operational reversible mental operation. Child is shown a toy and then it is hidden. Here child is showing a toy and then it is going to hide a toy behind him. This is object permanence. In the object permanence, child is locate the hidden toys. So object permanence is the characteristic of sensory motor stage. Sensory motor stage starts from birth and continues up to 2 years. So the correct answer is sensory motor stage and object permanence. Option C is correct answer. To facilitate cognitive development in children, John Piaget gave importance to dash, while Lev Vygotsky emphasized dash. Options: activity, language, language, activity, rewards, punishment, punishment, rewards. Option C and D, these two are not related to Piaget and Lev Vygotsky theory. See options A and B. In these two options, correct option is A, active and language. According to Piaget, learners learn actively, and he believes that thought emerges first than the language. In Lev Vygotsky, language plays an important role on cognitive development. According to Piaget, the four qualitatively different stages options are dependent upon the genetic codes of the children, represent universal patterns of development of children, illustrate that children's minds are miniature adult minds, vary vastly across the various cultures in the world. According to Piaget, there are four development stages. They are sensory motor stage, pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage. These four stages are represent universal patterns of development of children. So the correct option is second one. Represent universal patterns of development of children. Question number 8. Which of the following is a limitation of Piaget's theory of cognitive development? Options: it does not account for the role of biological factors in cognitive development. It does not account for the influence of culture and social factors on cognitive development. It does not account for individual differences in cognitive development. It overemphasizes the role of language in cognitive development. In Piaget theory, culture and social factors not influence on cognitive development. According to Piaget, there are four factors influence on cognitive development. They are maturation, experience, social experience, and equilibration. So culture and social not comes under Piaget theory. In Vygotsky theory, S, C, L. S for social, C for culture, L for language. These three factors influence on cognitive development. Piaget suggested that children understand the world around them by adjusting their ideas when they find differences between what they know and what they discover. So the correct option is second one. It does not account for the influence of culture and social factors on cognitive development. Question number 9. Choose the correctly matched pair of stages with the characteristics proposed by John Piaget. Options: sensory motor stage can engage in make-believe play. Pre-operational object permanence begins. Concrete operational capable of mentally reversing actions. Formal operational capable of hypothetico-deductive thinking. The correct answer is fourth one. Formal operational capable of hypothetico-deductive thinking. The formal operational stage is characterized by ability to formulate hypotheses and systematically test them to arrive at an answer to a problem. Question number 10. According to Piaget and Vygotsky, learning takes place through options: imitation, passive listening, conditioning and reinforcement, active engagement of learners. According to Piaget, learners construct knowledge and understanding their own, and they are always active and independent, not dependent and passive. And Piaget believes that thought emerges first than language. And cognitive development occurs in stages, with each stage building on the previous one. In Vygotsky theory, he believed that learning takes place through social interactions and that language plays an important role in cognitive development. So the correct answer is active engagement of learners.